welcome to follow and look who we've spotted. It's Prachi Desai at a food event, and Prachi, are you really a foodie?
It doesn't look
Look
like it,
like,
right?
yeah.
I am a total foodie.
So Prachi, tell me, he's just spotted you making some good vada pavs for
Yeah.
yourself. So are you really a big vada pav fan?
So that's actually a first for me. I love vada pav and I love eating vada pav. I've obviously never tried making it, but today I learned a super healthy twist to vada pav. I mean, can you imagine vada pav being healthy? I've never thought about that, but we made it absolutely without oil today.
Right.
So that was like a revelation for me, and you can't imagine how tasty it was.
That was indeed the vada pavs are kept here. Can we have a quick plating of it if you don't mind?
Help yourself.
Yes. So here's Prachi plating her vada pavs. This is Prachi.
You obviously need this. The chutneys are already ready here. I'm going to put in this. Not fried. Not fried at all. And I want you to try it.
Yeah. So that's the vada pav made by Prachi Desai, and it's healthy. It's not fried.
Not at all.
Not at all. So I'll try this.
Oh, but there's a lot of cheese in it.
It's yummy.
Nice, right?
Too much of cheese. So प्राची के हाथ का वड़ा पाव मुझे खाने को मिला. Feeling lucky. It's rocking vada pav. So Prachi, talking about rocking things, the rock on two teasers come out. How has the response been?
I think pretty amazing. I understand there's a lot of curiosity about the film because of the first part, and I just think that there's so many memories coming back for everybody. There's some amazing music that awaits people. I think people just need to kind of wait a bit, and then there are some amazing things in store that they're going to reveal very soon.
And it's been 8 years for you also. How has this journey been?
It's been wonderful. Because also one of my first films is going to always be extremely special for me. There are so many things that changed for me ever since Lock On. And I cannot believe it's been these many years. I was just a 19-year-old, when I did my first film, and I think I didn't have any idea where this is going to go and where it's going to take me. So yeah, there's some amazing memories attached to it.
Since we are doing the event, tell me what food you can put today and it's tasty.
I can actually make you a super yummy omelette. So that's healthy, and I can actually make it really yummy for you as well. So I try a lot of things in my omelette. I put in baby spinach, I put in sunflower seeds, and you have to try this garlic and coconut chutney. Garlic and coconut chutney. That's what I put in it a bit, because that kind of adds in this amazing flavor to it. If you're actually craving for something that's a little spicy and tasty there, but you're eating healthy. So you're not snacking on oily food, but you're having
That's a mixture of spicy and tasty, healthy.
Totally.
Right. And so, Prachi, if you go on an ideal date with the man, so what would you expect him to cook for you?
I think maybe some kind of pasta. So I want to see how he makes pasta for me. It's fairly easy. It's not that complicated, but it's all about just basic flavors, about how you add in the right ingredients and make it a little yummy. So it's always the basics which are kind of the toughest and the simplest at the same time. You just need to know the right things, and that's about it. So that's what I'd like to see.
And anything else, favorite food item that your mom cooks and you're really
I think my favorite dish that my mom makes is egg curry. I love that.
But I thank you so much for talking to us.